Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin J. Pineau. I'm going to show you how to build a website fast and easy. All right, if you're new here, I'd like to talk about affiliate marketing, getting an education on making money online, increasing your marketing skills, and reviewing my favorite products and services. If you're interested in learning anything about making money online or quality products and services, make sure you grab the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. Now, today we're going to be using a software called ClickFunnels, and this is a sales funnel system. And what it does is it captures contact information and helps you drive sales, upsell, downsell. It can get very sophisticated, but what we're going to do is just a two-page sales funnel. Let's say you have a product you want to promote, and that's just one product. This is ideal for that. Let's see. All right, get me out of the way. What I'm going to do is go to funnels in the upper right, scratch my head. All right, what we're going to do is add new, create a new funnel, classic. We're going to collect emails, name, test, build funnel. All right, so what this is going to do is bring you to this generated page. And over here on the left, you have your opt-in pages and your thank you pages. It's just 2 pages. Very simple. All right. So what we're going to do is set up our opt-in page, and we're just going to pick one for whatever your offer is. These are some templates that I've already made. I'm going to go with something super simple. Let's say, scroll down, there's a lot of options, and these are all tested, tried and true. We gotta go fast here. I said fast. Let's go simple. Where is a simple one? Simple. Super clean. Select that template. Edit page. And we're going to do this for ClickFunnels. Discover your get a, we'll do this in red. For 14-day trial. We're just going really quick here. I'm not really worried about this. Enter email or oopsie. Not fun. This is embarrassing. Click on this. Everything is drag and drop here, so if I wanted to change it, and just change this text, click on this little gear here, hover over it, download, no. Click here. Sure. Okay, and if I wanted to get a little bit more information with this, this is pretty sweet. Check this out. Let's go to add elements. Where is my element? Am I in the way? I'm in the way. We'll just go like this. Click on this box, clone. Okay, now we got two boxes. Go to settings, type of input, first name. Okay. Go back here, placeholder text, just write first name. Bam. This is done. Save. Oh, default SEO. 14-day trial. It's the SEO. I failed typing. That's fine. Save. All right, back. We'll go to our thank you page. Coffee. I'll try to find something super simple, kind of like the other page. Bam. Select. Very simple. Edit page. Download free report. Thanks. So thanks. I don't know. Thank you. All we're doing here, download report. Get rid of this 20-something pages of awesomeness. Oops. All we're going to do is click here, settings, set action. We want it to go to a website. I want it to actually go to, oops, that's my website. Not there. Let's say I want to send it to, here, back to ClickFunnels. Dang it. I'm going to go down here, grab my affiliate link, click to copy, 14-day trial. All right, so I got my 14-day trial. Delete that, paste. One thing about this is you have to like drag your cursor all the way back to the beginning. It's a little glitch. Save. Oh. Trial. Thank you. Save. All right, let's try it out. I'm going to click on this little thing, test it. 14-day trial. Okay, 14-day trial. Hi, Kevin, blah. Information entered in. Submitting. Captures my email, goes to my thank you page. Click on free trial. Sends me back to ClickFunnels. I'm logged in, so it sent me back to my actual page, but it would send you back to your affiliate link. It's that simple. How long was that? I'm going to make a couple small tweaks, but not very long. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Watch the next video over here. All that, and smash the like button if you think this is great. You can actually grab a copy or your 14-day trial down in the description below. I'll just give you the raw link to go try it out for free. I'm an affiliate. If you make any purchases, I will get a small commission at no additional charges. And if you wanted to take your marketing to the next level, I'll give you my #1 recommended online business building opportunity. Not an opportunity, really. Education. I'll give you my #1 recommended education for building an online business down in the description below. It's kevinjpineau.com/success. And if you want to learn more about email marketing, you can grab the ebook at kevinjpineau.com/5 simple steps. Free ebook there. It's a free ebook at my site, kevinjpineau.com. Whatever. Check it out.